The scale of the coastal facility is matched only by the precision within. Inside, the synchronized movements of these robotic arms ensure unparalleled precision in the Model 3 assembly process.
In this massive hall, automation reaches new heights, with robotic welders ensuring every Model 3 meets exact specifications. The automated thermal wrapping process ensures a perfect seal on the high-density battery packs, a critical step before final assembly. Inside the Gigafactory, automated systems precisely maneuver the battery pack, securing it to the Model 3 chassis.
The synchronized movements of these advanced robotic arms ensure a flawless application, achieving a level of precision. Welcome to the Gigafactory, where precision meets automation. Advanced robotics handle the assembly. Watch the thermal readout on the tablet. The paint is curing exactly as expected across the entire chassis.
As the chassis progresses, synchronized KUKA robots perform precision welds, ensuring structural integrity before the battery pack installation.
In the new era of automotive manufacturing, precision is paramount. The Model 3 chassis
This hydraulic squeeze test verifies the integrity of the braking system before the chassis moves to the next stage.
Using advanced heat compression. The sill polymer is rapidly transformed into a solid, durable component.
In this hyper-efficient environment, human expertise guides the seamless integration of parts. In this highly automated environment, KUKA robots glide with satisfying precision, stacking the finished Model 3 bodies with flawless alignment. The synchronized movements of the robotic arms ensure every Model 3 receives a flawless application of the transit protection film.
Monitor the tolerances on the rear chassis weld points.
They are holding steady. All parameters remain nominal across the line.
The synchronization of these machines is breathtaking.